Hey Internet, so this is a coding project. It will automatically rename files from the creation date. Okay, so I'll run the code and I'll explain it. The code is in the pinned comment. It's also in GitHub. I'll have the link in the pinned comment as well. So a DOS prompt will come up. It'll ask you for your file directory. So we'll do that. So I've got a test folder. Inside the test folder, I've got this metadata test, which is what we're going to rename. Excuse the background noise. Okay, so right-click the test folder or whatever folder that you're doing. Then go to copy as path. Then paste that path. Delete the quotation marks. Okay. So before I hit enter, and it will begin the process of renaming the file, I'll just show you that it first works first of all. So when it renames it, it'll add the date to this title. So first I'll show you that the file works. So when I rename it, it still works. And check 1, 2 just to check the sound. Gonna draw a rectangle and add some paint just to prove the video works. Okay. Alright, so that's just me making a test file. So now that you know that the original file works, let's hit enter. It will find the files that you want to rename. So in this case it's one file, and it will rename to 2005 6/28, so that's the date, and then metadata test, and it will ask, do you want to do this? So you press yes. As you can see, it has not been renamed, so we're gonna put it here and then we'll hit yes, and as you can see on the right, it just renamed the file. As you can see, now we're going to open it up to test that it still works. Sound check 1, 2 just to check the sound. Gonna draw a rectangle and add some paint just to prove the video works. Okay. Alright, so as you can see, it works, and that is it. And if you want to do another one, I think you need to open it up again. So I haven't got a repeat process. The person that requested this on GitHub didn't really want that. They just want something to rename the file. So this is just a quick code. You can add that yourself if you want to. Alright, thanks for watching. Like and subscribe. If you want to support me, become a member or drop a super thanks. Until next time, see ya.